Today, we're going to explore the remarkable world of black seed oil. This oil, extracted from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years. Did you know that black seed oil was even found in King Tut's tomb? In ancient times, black seed oil was used for its medicinal properties. It was believed to have healing benefits for a variety of conditions. The Prophet Muhammad is said to have proclaimed that black cumin seed could cure anything but death. Given these historical uses, it's possible that King Tut may have used black seed oil as a form of medicine or health supplement. Talk about a royal seal of approval. The secret behind black seed oil's health benefits lies in its rich content of thimaquinone, a compound known for its antioxidant properties. These antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, helping to reduce inflammation and protect against various diseases. From asthma to skin problems, high blood pressure, and cholesterol, black seed oil has been used as a natural remedy for a variety of conditions. Blood pressure. Black seed oil contains compounds that have been shown to have a positive effect on blood pressure. One of these compounds is thimaquinone, which has been found to have a relaxing effect on the blood vessels, allowing them to dilate and lower blood pressure. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Cholesterol. Black seed oil has been shown to have a beneficial effect on blood lipids, reducing cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and increasing beneficial high-density lipoprotein, HDL. It has the ability to decrease the amount of cholesterol that is made in the body. Black seed oil may also prevent cholesterol from being absorbed into the bloodstream in the small intestine. Additionally, black seed oil has been noted to increase the number of LDL receptors in the liver, which can help remove LDL from the blood. It's important to note that while black seed oil shows promise in managing these conditions, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. Did you know that black seed oil can also support weight loss and promote skin health? One study found that using a topical gel made with black seed extract twice daily for 60 days reduced acne severity by an impressive 78%. And it doesn't stop there. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, black seed oil is often added to hair care products, including hair masks and shampoos. Black seed oil can be a great solution for multiple hair issues. Here are some ways it can benefit your hair. Fights scalp inflammation. Black seed oil has an anti-inflammatory action that combats the symptomatic distress linked with inflammatory disorders. This suggests its possible use for treating inflammation associated with eczema, psoriasis, and other scalp infections. Improves hair texture and adds shine. Hair care products such as shampoo and oil containing black seed can provide comprehensive hair care by enhancing the shine, texture, and volume of hair, reducing hair problems, and making hair stronger and shinier. Promotes hair growth. According to a study, Nigella sativa could help with hair growth. It is rich in linoleic acid, which is crucial for satisfactory blood circulation. Combats hair fall. A study showed that an herbal hair oil made with black seed oil helps reduce hair fall. In the study, the hair fall reduced gradually over 90 days, reaching 0% by the end of the period. Fights telogen effluvium. Telogen effluvium, TE, is a condition that causes hair thinning or shedding. Black seeds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may be beneficial in treating TE. Some research even suggests that black seed oil could be beneficial for treating vitiligo, a disorder that causes loss of pigmentation in the skin. And here's an added bonus. Did you know that the ancient Latin term for black seeds was panacea, which means all healing or cure all? The Arabs used to call Nigella sativa seeds habat el baraka, which literally translates two seeds of blessing. Talk about a name that truly reflects its properties. So not only does black seed oil have a wide range of potential health benefits, but its very name suggests its healing nature. Now that's a fun fact to share. That's all for today's deep dive into the amazing world of black seed oil. We hope you found this information helpful and interesting. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you want to stay updated on more such fascinating topics, Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us. Thanks for watching.